Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn on power saving mode on your monitor, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Let's dive into it. Method 1. Step 1. Start by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Once it opens, click on Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options. Click on System, which is located in the top left corner. Step 3. Now look at the list on the left side and select Power and Sleep. Step 4. On the right side of the screen, under Related Settings, you'll find an option that says Additional Power Settings. Click on that. Step 5. You will now be taken to the Choose or Customize a Power Plan page. Here, find and select Power Saver from the list of available power plans. If you don't see it right away, simply click on Show Additional Plans at the bottom of the list to reveal more options. So optional advanced settings. If you want to customize the Power Saver mode, click on Change Plan Settings next to Power Saver. For even more detailed settings, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.